We're now going to start looking at wrapping up this AutoCAD electrical course. Now let's have a look at our WDP files, our WD project files. They are our project setting files. Now what I've done with every single section on this course is I've provided you with a WDP file for each section. And you'll find those either on your DVD or in your download in the working files folders. So let's have a look at setting a WDP up for a new project. Now what I've done is I've browsed for the folder where the new project is going to go. And that's going to go into my 19 closed section there in the drawings folder. So I'll click on OK there, and that's the location. I'll give the project a name, which is going to be 19, and then it's wrap up in this case. So it's going to put that project in that folder and create a folder with the project name. So you can see there's the wrap up WDP file. It's a big long path when I hover over it, so I won't bore you with drilling down to try and find it. What I am going to do though is browse for an existing WDP file that I want to use, because there's some settings that I already want to use in another particular part of my setup here for the course. So if I go here now and go to Movies and Work Files, there's a list of all of the sections there. I'm going back to the Simple Recap section. If I go in here and go into the Drawings folder here and into Simple Recap, you'll find that there's a WDP file. I'm going to use that one so that all of the settings in that previous section are applied to this new 19 wrap-up project. So I'll OK that now. And it adds a new project to my project manager. Now you'll notice there's no little plus sign. The reason being there are no drawings in this project just yet. Now the nice thing is I can go here on the project, right click, and just add the drawings. If I've got drawings already there ready to go, what I've got to do is go and find the folder. Now it's looking in my wrap up folder at the moment. If I go up a level, there's all my drawings there. That wrap up folder there is where the WDP file is. I'll hover over the drawings, highlight them like that, and I'll just add those to the project. Good thing is, I've taken the WDP settings from section 18 and I'm applying those project default values now to the drawing settings for project 19. Click on yes, clicks through, adding the drawings, it updates the project, and there we go. Now, the one thing it might do, you'll notice here, is numbering. It might come in an odd order, and you might need to re-tag your drawings, as you can see there. For example, title block, I can easily move these though, I just drag them up. There's number 1, like so. There's number 2, rungs and ladders and so on. So I can just keep working through this and make sure that everything is in the right place. It's no problem, I can just drag and drop to my heart's content. And if I want to change drawing properties, it's not difficult either. All I've got to do is select a drawing. So at the moment, I've got 001, 002. Inserting components there, what I would do is I would select the drawing, right click, properties, drawing properties, just change that sheet number there to 3, like that. That'll update. And then what I've got to do here, I've got adding wires. I'm going to rename that one there as well, change the sheet number, change that to 4, and enter. And then what I'll do there is I'll just refresh the project, and you'll see everything updates. So the good thing is if I've got a project that's already existing, and I want to set up a new project with exactly the same project settings, I use the WDP file from the previous project. It's all set up. Why reinvent the wheel and go and set up all the settings all over again? Use your WDP file from a previous project. You might even use the drawings from a previous project as well. We're now in a position to finish up this AutoCAD electrical course. What we've got you doing is we've got you generating AutoCAD electrical projects with AutoCAD electrical drawings, which contain components, wiring, panels, and everything that is needed to form a professional electrical project. So let's just zoom extents here now on the drawing, and you can see that we have generated things such as a title block from our title block setup. We've generated our circuit with our components, we've edited the components, we've generated wires, we've tagged and edited the wires. We've also generated reports around the information of our components and our panels in our AutoCAD electrical drawings. So I'd like to thank you for working through this AutoCAD electrical course. I hope it takes you further, and I hope it helps you professionally using AutoCAD electrical.